Come experience Korean barbecue in Bengaluru with us. So we are at Arirang Korean restaurant. This is in Kalyan Nagar, and honestly it's one of my most go-to favorite places for some authentic Korean food. So of course have their banchan, of course have some soju, and then we tried their Korean barbecue this time. We also had ordered some gimbap. It was cheese gimbap and it was so good. The cheese was hitting all our spots, and there was like pickled radish and all of that. It was so good. You can cook your own meat. The staff is also going to help you out. We also had some sundubu jjigae, but this is how the barbecue is eaten, with some lettuce wraps, and they give you a bunch of dipping sauces. We also had the tteokbokki and some ice creams, and trust me, this grape ice cream was to die for. It was the most perfect grape flavor, the perfect end to the perfect day. Hope you all are having a wonderful weekend ahead.